Picture this. You walk into your favorite restaurant excited for a delicious meal, but instead of a friendly face greeting you at the pass, there's a robotic arm flipping burgers with uncanny precision. Is this the future of food? Are human chefs about to become relics of the past, replaced by tireless, flavor-programming machines? The world of technology is no stranger to disrupting industries, and the culinary world is no exception. Artificial intelligence, AI, is making its way into kitchens, from robotic arms flipping burgers to algorithms generating personalized recipes. It begs the question, will robots steal the show, leaving chefs scrambling for new gigs? The idea of AI taking over the kitchen might seem like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's a question worth pondering. After all, AI can already beat chess grandmasters and write best-selling novels, so why not cooking? Hold on to your chef's hats, food lovers, because we're about to embark on a delectable journey exploring the intersection of AI and culinary arts. Get ready to explore if your favorite chef's days are numbered, or if there's something inherently human about cooking that even the most advanced AI can't replicate. Before we hit the panic button, let's take a look at how AI is actually being used in restaurants today. It's not all about robots stealing the show, yet. One of the most common applications is in automating tasks, like flipping burgers, chopping vegetables, or even plating dishes with artistic flair. Imagine a robotic arm that can flip hundreds of burgers per hour, ensuring each one is cooked to perfection. That's precisely what some fast food chains are testing. These robot chefs are designed to improve efficiency and consistency, especially for repetitive tasks. But AI's culinary ambition doesn't stop there. Some companies are developing AI-powered systems that can personalize recipes based on individual preferences. Imagine typing in low-sodium, gluten-free lasagna and voila, the AI generates a tailored recipe that fits your needs. While these advancements are impressive, they mostly focus on the technical aspects of cooking. So the question remains, can AI truly replace the creativity, intuition, and passion that human chefs bring to the table? Let's delve deeper into the capabilities of AI in the culinary realm. AI's foray into the kitchen is powered by some pretty impressive technology. At its core lies the ability to process massive amounts of data, identify patterns, and learn from experience. Think of it like this. AI can analyze thousands of recipes, culinary techniques, and flavor profiles, becoming a walking, or rather computing, encyclopedia of culinary knowledge. One of AI's star players in the kitchen is machine learning, where algorithms learn from data to improve their performance over time. For instance, an AI system can analyze customer feedback on a particular dish and tweak the recipe to make it even tastier. It's like having an army of invisible sous chefs constantly refining and perfecting every dish. But here's the catch. AI relies on data. It can only work with what it's been fed. This means that while AI can create variations of existing dishes or optimize recipes for specific dietary needs, it might struggle to invent something truly novel or adapt to unexpected situations like a missing ingredient or a sudden change in customer preference. So, while AI can undoubtedly enhance certain aspects of cooking, it still operates within a defined set of rules and parameters. It lacks the human touch, the ability to improvise, experiment, and infuse dishes with that intangible element of creativity and passion. Cooking is more than just following a set of instructions. It's about transforming raw ingredients into something delicious and evocative, something that tantalizes the taste buds and nourishes the soul. It's about understanding the interplay of flavors, textures, and aromas to create a symphony on the plate. A good chef doesn't just follow recipes, they understand the science behind them. They know how different ingredients react with each other, how heat affects texture and flavor, and how to balance sweet, sour, salty, and bitter notes to create a harmonious dish. Consider the simple act of making a sauce. A recipe might tell you to reduce the sauce until it coats the back of a spoon. But an experienced chef can tell just by looking, smelling, and feeling the sauce when it's reached the perfect consistency. This intuition, honed through years of practice, is something AI currently can't replicate. Moreover, cooking is also about adapting to the unexpected. What happens when the oven temperature is off or a key ingredient is unavailable? A human chef can improvise, drawing on their experience and knowledge to salvage the dish, perhaps even discovering a happy accident along the way. Can AI do that? Not quite yet. Let's talk about taste, the cornerstone of any culinary experience. AI might be able to analyze chemical compositions and predict flavor profiles, but it can't actually taste food. It can't experience the joy of a perfectly balanced sauce or the comforting warmth of a well-made soup. Chefs, on the other hand, taste, smell, and feel their way through the cooking process. They use their senses to adjust seasoning, tweak textures, and ensure each element of the dish is in perfect harmony. They pour their heart and soul into their creations, infusing each bite with passion and personality. Take the example of a chef creating a new dish. It's a journey of exploration, starting with an idea, perhaps inspired by a childhood memory or a recent trip to a farmer's market. The chef experiments with different ingredients, flavors, and techniques, constantly tasting and adjusting until they achieve their vision. This creative process, driven by passion, experience, and a deep understanding of flavor profiles, is something AI, at least in its current form, can't replicate. It's this human touch that elevates cooking from a mere science to an art form. While AI might not be ready to replace human chefs, it can certainly be a valuable sous chef. Imagine AI assisting with inventory management, predicting customer demand, or even suggesting creative plating ideas based on current food trends. AI can free up chefs from tedious tasks, giving them more time to focus on what they do best, creating delicious and innovative dishes. For instance, AI-powered systems can handle online orders, manage reservations, and even personalize menus based on customer preferences. This collaboration between human chefs and AI can lead to a more efficient and creative kitchen environment. Chefs can leverage AI as a tool to enhance their skills and push culinary boundaries, while still maintaining their creative control and personal touch. Think of it as a partnership where AI provides the data-driven insights and automation, while human chefs bring the creativity, intuition, and passion. This synergy can lead to new and exciting culinary experiences for diners. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the culinary world. Perhaps AI-powered robots will become commonplace in restaurant kitchens, taking over repetitive tasks and allowing chefs to focus on more specialized areas. Imagine a future where you can walk into a restaurant and have an AI system create a personalized tasting menu based on your dietary needs and flavor preferences. Or perhaps you'll be able to print customized meals at home using 3D food printers guided by AI algorithms. The possibilities are endless, and it's an exciting time to be a food enthusiast. But one thing is for sure, the human element will always be crucial in the culinary world. We crave the connection, the stories, and the passion that human chefs bring to the table. The future of food is not about robots replacing chefs, but about finding ways for technology and human creativity to work together, enhancing the dining experience for everyone. Food is more than just sustenance. It's a social glue that brings people together. We gather around tables to share meals, stories, and laughter. It's about connecting with loved ones, celebrating special occasions, and experiencing different cultures. This social aspect of food is something that AI, at least in its current form, can't replicate. While AI can create personalized recipes or optimize cooking techniques, it can't replace the warmth of a home-cooked meal or the camaraderie of sharing a meal with friends. Think about the last time you had a memorable meal. Was it just about the food, or was it about the company, the atmosphere, the shared experience? These intangible elements are what make food truly special, and they are deeply rooted in our human need for connection. So while AI might be able to cook, it can't replace the social and emotional significance we attach to food. It can't replicate the joy of cooking for someone you love or the comfort of sharing a meal with family and friends. After this delectable journey, the answer is a resounding no. Chefs are not going anywhere. While AI is set to revolutionize certain aspects of the culinary world, it's unlikely to replace the creativity, intuition, and passion that human chefs bring to the table. AI can be a powerful tool in the hands of skilled chefs, helping them to be more efficient, creative, and innovative. But it's the human touch, the ability to taste, smell, feel, and connect that will always set chefs apart. So the next time you're enjoying a delicious meal, take a moment to appreciate the human skill and passion that went into creating it. And remember, while AI might be able to cook, it's the human connection that truly makes food sing. What do you think about AI in the kitchen? Are you excited about the possibilities, or do you have reservations? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe for more explorations into the future of food and cooking. And as always, thanks for watching.